estate does not exist in isolation. It is shaped by policy, powered by finance and sustained by trust. On Wednesday, February 4th, 2026, industry leaders gathered at the 2026 Annual General Meeting of the Real Estate Developers Association of Nigeria, REDAN, to examine a question central to Nigeria's housing future: how the new tax law can serve as a strategic tool for real estate finance and housing affordability.
It has been a very wonderful moment for us, having everybody from all over the country gathered here today in Abuja to deliberate and talk about REDAN as in regards to strategic tax financing and other aspects of the real estate in Nigeria.
We want to welcome everybody, all REDAN members nationwide and all our friends. We welcome you to this particular AGM. We believe very surely that we're going to have fruitful deliberations, we're going to have a nice time, and then for some of us, if not all, in the evening, we're going to have a gala night where we're going to unwind and we're going to really have some fun.
The theme of this year's meeting, the new tax law as a strategic tool for real estate, as announcing affordability, is not only apt, but timely and critical for the future of our industry. As we navigate the economic landscape following the implementation of the new tax law effective January 1, 2026, we urge developers to view compliance not as a burden, but a strategic advantage to enhance credibility, unlock finance, and increase profitability.
This year's theme shifted the conversation beyond compliance towards opportunity, exploring how taxation, when thoroughly applied, can unlock investment, ease development constraints, and expand access to quality housing.
Accelerated, incur input in the cost of the transaction chain, importations, you come back to government to refund you. That is why I said in the short run, government may not get more, because if all those who patronize food items and incur input VAT and come back to government will be giving out in refunds. Modernization, automation. When you automate and link all the data, then those who are incorporating several companies for the purpose of beating the code will be caught. If they are not caught through the banking transaction, they will be caught through the TIN, tax ID, or through other means, or through NIM if you are an individual.
Developers, policymakers, financiers, and built environment professionals engaged in candid discussions on fiscal reform, cost efficiency, and the real impact of tax policy on housing delivery.
Yes, an AGM is an annual gathering of the association, where we come together, policymakers in the association and members sit down together to parley and chart a new course for the association. Basically, we are looking at the new tax law. Members are going to be taught how to engage it so that they don't fall foul of the provisions, because a lot of people have not understood the details of the tax law. So that's one of the major key areas we're looking at today.
Through expert insights and practical perspectives, one message stood clear: housing affordability is achieved not by construction alone, but by systems that support sustainable development. As REDAN continues to champion responsible real estate growth, this AGM reaffirmed the power of collaboration, informed policy, and professional alignment in shaping Nigeria's urban future. This is the Chronicles of Construction, the art of building, the soul of storytelling, ubiquitous.